In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a template in Zapier step by step so you can turn one of your finished Zaps into a reusable template that others can discover and use. This is a great way to share your workflow, build credibility, and save time if you want to package up automations in a cleaner, more professional way. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit like and the subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Zapier and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Assets section. This is where Zapier keeps different resources related to your automations, including your Zap Workflows. Click on Assets, then select Zap Workflows so you can see the list of Zaps connected to your account. Now choose the Zap that you want to turn into a template. This should be the workflow you've already built and want to share as a reusable example. Open that Zap, then look for the drop-down menu at the top of the page. Click the drop-down, and from the options available, choose Create Template. Zapier will now open the template creation page. Here, you'll need to fill out the details for your template. Start by entering a clear title. Make it easy to understand and relevant to what the Zap does. Then add a description that explains the purpose of the template and what users can expect when they use it. After that, fill in the overview section. This is your chance to give a simple summary of the workflow and help people understand the value of the template quickly. Once your title, description, and overview are complete, click Next. Zapier may take you through a few confirmation screens, so keep clicking Next as you move through the publishing flow. Make sure everything looks correct before continuing. If you notice any missing details or something that needs to be adjusted, go back and fix it before publishing. When you're ready, click Publish Template. This is the final step that makes your Zap available as a template. After publishing, you can return home in Zapier and check your template section from the left side menu. This is where you will see all of your published templates in one place. And that's it. You've now created a Zapier template from one of your existing Zap workflows. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it's a really useful way to share automations with your audience or team. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.